Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making beef and broccoli. Here I'm showing you the type of steak that I have. I picked up a skirt steak. To prep our steak, we're going to trim off any fat and slice it across the grain into very thin bite-sized pieces. For our ingredients, we have steak, olive oil, and broccoli. For our sauce ingredients, we have soy sauce, low sodium, water, apple cider vinegar, or you could use rice vinegar, toasted sesame oil, brown sugar, cornstarch, ginger, garlic, crushed red pepper flakes. Now here we're going to prepare our sauce. You want to prepare everything ahead of a time, as the actual cooking part goes very quickly. Now we're going to add our sauce ingredients to a bowl and whisk them together. Here I'm adding my soy sauce, my brown sugar, sesame oil, garlic, rice vinegar, and our red pepper flakes, and our ginger. And next we're going to mix in our cornstarch. And we're just going to mix that together until all our clumps of cornstarch has dissolved. Next we're going to add some extra virgin olive oil to our pan over high heat. You want to let the pan heat up for a few minutes. Now your oil should be shimmering once it's ready. We're going to add the broccoli and we're going to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, tossing and stirring often. It will be tender and crispy. Once your broccoli is done, we're going to transfer it to a plate and set it aside. You want to cut your broccoli into fairly small florets so they can cook fast and move evenly. Next, we're going to move on to cooking our beef. We're going to add another tablespoon of olive oil to the skillet. And now we're going to add our beef in a single layer. So here we are adding our beef. You want to make sure that your beef is spread out a bit. You don't want to touch it for a minute before you flip or stir it. So you're going to pour your sauce into your pan. You're going to stir and toss it until your meat is coated and the sauce has thickened up. It takes anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes. Once your sauce is thickened the way you like it, we're going to add our broccoli back to our pan and we're going to toss everything together. You want to take the skillet off the heat and serve immediately. I'm going to make sure that my broccoli and my steak is evenly coated with my sauce. I love to serve this recipe with rice, but that is totally optional to you. And we sprinkled it with a little bit of sesame seed. We have made beef and broccoli. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.